Hello traders, Pecanzington from GoldMedalPennyStocks here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for PTOO, PTOO Incorporated, which is an OTCBB traded stock. So the first thing I want to point out here is the RSI. You'll see that the 14-period RSI has currently come down to 40.11, which is just under the buy zone, which is anything between 50 and 70, which is this area right here. And the 5-period RSI has actually dipped into the oversold category below 30 here at 26.04. So this 5-period RSI is soon going to need some upside correction, which means it'll that the next really bullish day will send it shooting up in a really hard spike up, and it should cross over the 14-period RSI again, as it's a more volatile indicator because it uses less time data. So the crossover of the 5-period RSI indicator over the 14-period RSI indicator is considered to be pretty bullish. So that's one thing we're looking out for on the RSI, is that crossover there. This could quickly turn pretty bullish again, and we're looking to see, again, this 14-period RSI cross above the 50 line would be very bullish. The next thing I want to point out here is that on Friday, this close in the red here at 99 cents was actually on very low volume, and so we're going to go ahead and say that the downtrend here isn't formed, and this 99-cent area needs to kind of fill up the gap here at $1.01. So we're looking to still fill this gap and continue moving up. That's how I see this playing out. Now, we want to break above this 50 MA here at $1.09. That's a good short-term goal right here in this area. And a break up there, by the time we get to there, the parsar should be somewhere down in this area. So that would also be a bullish parsar flip, which is a good thing. Very bullish indicator, kind of signals that the trend is changing direction. Now, another thing I want to point out here is that our Bollinger Bands are still within the Keltner channels. This is a thing I've liked about this chart this whole time, ever since I found the stock. So that signals that it's currently in an extreme consolidation period. As long as these blue Bollinger Bands stay within these Keltner channels that are these lines right here that I'm kind of tracing out right now, as long as that happens, we should see a huge breakout. It's just coiling up. The longer that these Bollinger Bands spend in the Keltner channels, it's just coiling up and getting ready for a big move. So that's what's called a pinch play, and we're looking for that to unfold here. A lot of traders have got this on radar, I'm sure, just watching to make sure that this stays in the consolidation period and that they don't miss the breakout. So that's what we're looking for in terms of that. We're seeing the MACD just had a negative crossover here, but it's kind of flattening out a little bit, which is a good sign. It's rounding out at the bottom, which means it's going to soon go back up, which could be a bullish crossover in the making. So that's something we want to keep our eyes on. The CMF is trending up, actually, as you can see. So we're looking to see that hit. 0.2 is considered bullish. 0.4 is considered very bullish. So it's a retail accumulation indicator. So we're seeing accumulation starting back up here, and we want to see this stock come up to the 0.2, 0.4 area, and that's something to watch in the near-term trading sessions. The Williams percent R has come down a little bit and is kind of rounding out as well, and it's currently sitting at about the halfway point. We're looking for it to shoot back up into the overbought range, and that being overbought for this indicator is actually a good thing. The longer it spends up here is good for short-term momentum, so we're looking to see it come up and shoot up into the overbought category, or the range right there. So this the ROC is also in a very volatile area, which is, volatility. Basically, this stock could make a move soon, hopefully up, considering recent events here. We kind of came up and almost closed that gap, so I'm expecting a move up personally. Another thing worth mentioning here on this chart is that the TRIX is still bullishly crossed over here, as you can see right here. Ever since the beginning of May, we've had a bullishly crossed over TRIX, which is a good sign for short-term momentum. So again, PTOO, good stock to watch on Tuesday after this Memorial Day weekend. I told you the indicators to look for. I'm not a professional financial advisor, so please watch my video for entertainment purposes only, and don't base a buy or sell decision on anything you heard in this video. Thanks for watching. Good luck.